I'm here with my Sharper Image Bonfire S'mores Maker and my 300 watt portable power station. And today I am making some soup. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So the first thing I want to point out is that the s'mores maker is pulling about 266 watts from the power station, and the s'mores maker is basically a mini hot plate. This is the coil that heats up. As you can see, it looks like a mini hot plate, and there is my pot on top of it. It fits perfectly. So what I have in here is some homemade chicken broth. It's been in my refrigerator, so those white things are just like fat globules. And I'm going to add some other ingredients to it. I keep chopped scallions in my freezer, so I'm just adding some chopped scallions. Those are frozen. I'm going to add a handful of frozen kale also. And I'm going to add a little bit of leftover chicken. Not much. Some granulated garlic. Some black pepper and a little bit of salt. Let's stir this around. So it's heating up nicely. We could see that those pieces of solid fat have melted. And I really just want to bring this up to a nice simmer. So this s'mores maker does not bring water up to a boil, which is 212 degrees. It only brings the water up to about 200 degrees, but that should be fine for heating up some soup. So the portable power station is down to only 1 bar, which is probably less than 20% of its power. I did not fill it up before plugging this in, so I should have topped off the charge on the power station, but I didn't do that. So we'll see how long we can cook this before it just totally dies. It's about 10 minutes later, maybe a little bit more than 10 minutes, and there is some steam coming up from the soup, and I just tasted it, and it is nice and hot. So I am going to say that it's done, and we're still at only 1 bar on the portable power station, so that worked well. So here's my soup. It looks really good. Once again, it's homemade chicken broth with some scallions, some kale, and some leftover chicken. I added some garlic, some salt, and some pepper. So I just kept this really, really simple. If I had some leftover pasta, I would put that in also. I'm going to enjoy this just like it is. It'll be a nice light soup for lunch. Let's taste it. That is really good. So the garlic and the black pepper give it a lot of flavor, and the kale, because it hasn't cooked like a really long time, still has a nice bite to it. So I am really going to enjoy this, and that's how you can make soup with a Sharper Image Bonfire S'mores Maker. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.